Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to insert text box in Google Docs. If you want to do it, first you need to go to Insert tab, and after that you need to go to Drawing. Here you need to click on New option. Okay, and here you need to click on this one option. This option is text box. And now we need to draw here a text box which we want to create. So for example, I'm going to create here this one text box, and I type here simple text box settings. Then you can change the font size. For example, I select this text and I click three dots icon, and here I increase the font size maybe to this one size. And after that I need to modify the dimensions of the text box. So I will change position of this line to the upper side. And after that, of course, you can modify the color of the text. Everything depends on your preferences. Or you can modify border weight if you want. For example, I click on it and I will select here maybe 3 pixels. If you would like to insert this text box to your document, you need to click Save and Close, and after that it will be successfully inserted to our document. So in this way you can easily create text box in Google Docs. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's not a problem.